Today we are going to see how to make pizza at home. Welcome to Raguculin's kitchen. In a small bowl, dissolve the 20 grams of sugar in 200 milliliters of warm water. Add 6 grams of active dry yeast and let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes until it becomes frothy. In a large mixing bowl, combine the 400 grams of flour and 2½ teaspoons of salt. Taste and adjust the salt. If the yeast didn't bloom, start it again. Add 20 milliliters of oil to the yeast mixture and mix well. Make a well in the center of the flour mixture, and pour in the yeast mixture. Stir until a dough starts to form. Knead the dough on a floured surface for about 10 to 15 minutes until it becomes smooth and elastic. Place the dough in a greased bowl. Cover it with a clean kitchen towel or plastic wrap, and let it rise in a warm place for about 2 to 3 hours until it doubles in size. On a floured surface, roll out the dough into a round circle, about 12 inches, 30 centimeters, in diameter, or to your desired thickness. Place the rolled out dough on a baking sheet or pizza peel. Spread tomato sauce evenly over the dough, leaving a small border around the edges. Sprinkle dried oregano. Sprinkle shredded mozzarella cheese over the sauce. Add your desired toppings. Here, I am adding onions. Tomato. Capsicum. Mushroom. Drizzle some oil. Bake the pizza in the preheated oven for about 10 to 15 minutes, or until the crust is golden brown and the cheese is bubbly and melted. Enjoy your homemade pizza. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you liked the video.